Hello, today's lesson is going to be about the 5 whys. Does anyone actually know what I mean by the 5 whys? I'm hoping not. Good. So, the basis of Toyota's scientific approach is to ask why 5 times, basically, so that you root it down to the actual core problem and you fix what's actually the core problem. And we'll be using this a lot more. I know that Isaac's added it into the improvement tracker as well. So every problem that we get, we're going to be asking the 5 whys before we make any improvement on it. So to give you an example, it might be that you ran through a red light. The first why would be you were late for work. Second why would be woke up late. Third why, alarm clock broke. Fourth why, didn't check if it worked. Fifth why, didn't check it last night. So your improvement wouldn't be watch for red lights as you're driving to work or something like that. It would actually be check your alarm clock every morning. What we can have a tendency of doing without asking the 5 whys is you're fixing the wrong problem. So like in our case, when we are talking about moving labels to make them more accessible, but when we start breaking it down, we realise just to make them more accessible is wrong. We're fixing the wrong problem. If we break it down, we get a new heat gun, a mobile heat gun, where we can do it on the run, and we fix it a long time before. So it's all about just asking those 5 whys, every defect, so that we get to the root cause of it. Has anyone got any questions?
Do you know what, that was brilliant. Well prepared, thank you.
Thank you. Any other questions? Right, all wrapped up. Thank you.